Hello, Boomers. Bertrand here with the Boomers Tech Show, where we help seniors stay confident and independent with today's technology. If your iPhone feels too small, too loud, too confusing, or making you squint, tap wrong buttons, or miss calls, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple settings that every senior should change in 2026. We're going to show you how to make the text and icons bigger, how to boost your call volume and clarity, how to improve your screen visibility, how to set up emergency SOS, and how to block scam callers in 2026. These settings make your iPhone easier to see, easier to hear, and easier to use. So let's make your phone work for you, not against you. So number 1, we want to make everything bigger in 2026. iPhone has even more ways to enlarge text and icons. So here's how to do it. Open your settings tab and tap on it. Scroll down until it says display and brightness and tap on it. Tap on text size. Now take your finger and drag it to your acceptable size, the size that you want. You can go from small to gigantic. Then go back. Now, for added clarity, you might want to tap on the bold. And there you have it. So now your text is going to look a whole lot better on your screen and easier to read. So number 2, we want to make calls louder and clear. In 2026, Apple added new audio boosting for adults with mild hearing changes. So let's fix that. Again, go to settings. And you want to scroll down until you see accessibility and tap on it. In accessibility, you want to scroll down until you see audio visual and tap on it. And here, you want to scroll down until you see add voice isolation and tap on it. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to isolate your voice from any ambient sound that's around, thus giving you a louder, clearer sound that you can hear. All right, number 3, we're going to improve your visibility outdoors. Now, many seniors struggle when the screen goes dim by itself. So let's fix that. Again, you want to open settings. And you want to go down to where it says display brightness and tap on it. Tap on automatic. And what that's going to do is that's going to automatically adjust your lighting or your brightness based on the ambient environmental scene or environment that you're in. Now, tip number 4. It's extremely important to turn on some emergency SOS features. So here's how to do that. Go to settings again and tap on the cogwheel. You want to scroll down to where it says emergency SOS and tap on it. You want to tap on call with 5 button press. And what that does is if you press your button 5 times, it's going to automatically call one of your emergency contacts. And you also want to turn on call after severe crash. And what this is going to do is it's going to notify someone if you're involved in some type of accident as it detects a severe crash. Okay, so now we're going to look at the 5th and probably one of the ones that's going to take a lot of frustration away from your daily life. And that is turn off unknown callers. And here's how to do that. So you tap on your phone icon. And then you tap screen unknown callers by asking reason for calling. And what this does is the calls from unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before the phone rings. And also tap on unknown callers. So missed calls and voicemails from unknown numbers will be moved to an unknown caller list. So tap that on. And now what that's going to do is that's going to alleviate a lot of the unknown calls that you have by asking them to identify themselves before you can engage with them. All right, so those are 5 things that you should change in 2026. Now, here's one bonus tip that's going to help you to be able to make sure that you don't miss calls again with a signal. So let's go to settings. So tap on audio visual, then scroll down to where it says flash for alerts. Tap on it. LED flash. So you want the flash when it's unlocked and even flash when it's in silent mode. And what that's going to do is anytime you get a phone call or an alert, it's going to automatically flash so that you can not only hear it, but you can see the flash as well. And there you go. 6 settings that make your phone safer, clear, easier, and stress-free for 2026. Tell me in the comment section which setting helped you the most today. And don't forget to watch the next video right here where I'll show you some other stuff that's going to make your experience a lot better with technology. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show, where we learn together, one tap at a time, and I'll see you in the next video.